A stir fry is one of the easiest things for a working mum to make, I think, and so I'm going to show you my chicken and snow pea stir fry, which you can see has a whole pile of other veggies.
You know what I'm really impressed with? You've got a great big wok there.
I do.
Ready to go.
Everything's going to fit in. You watch.
Okay.
Could you please cut the chicken? So I'm using thighs. You can cut it however you like. You are the chef here.
Okay.
But whatever's small and yummy and delicious.
I mean, that's the thing with a stir fry. If it is small and thin, it cooks really quickly.
Correct. And that's what a stir fry is all about, right? Cook it quickly. High heat. Beautiful.
That's right.
So I do love snow peas raw, but I try and keep them crunchy in my stir fry. So I'm just going to chop them a little bit.
Okay.
What would you use in terms of chicken cut for a stir fry? Would you use thighs?
Thighs are great. They've got great flavour and they hold up and stay moist and juicy.
Yes.
The breast is fantastic as well, but it can dry out a little bit more. But this is a stir fry. It's going to happen really quickly. So what have you got in the fridge?
Whatever you've got.
One of the things I noticed, you've taken the skin off.
Yes.
I like to leave the skin on, so there's two different things there.
Why do you think I take it off, Richo? Why would that be?
Because you don't like the skin?
No, because it's just better for heart health and cholesterol.
Okay.
So there you go. Now, bring that chicken over here, please, my friend, and I'm going to marinate this in some chicken stock. Now, there's going to be a little bit of excess fluid here.
Okay.
But I need you to not panic, Richo.
Don't panic.
Don't panic, because it's all going to be used later and we need to mop up all the juices with the rice.
You know, there's a book I read called The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and the first thing on it is don't panic.
Don't panic. There you go. So this is a bit of cornstarch. I've thrown some sherry in as well.
Nice.
And we're keeping this gluten-free. So a lot of people use other sauces that can often have gluten in it.
Now, can I cut any of this up for you?
You can, please, however you like. All the veggies, thank you.
Garlic and ginger, I'll just smash that and chop it.
Yep, go for it. And you can chop the broccolini and the capsicum. So this I would often leave in the fridge if I could for an hour, or you can leave it for 15 minutes. But we're here to cook, we're here to eat, are we not, Richo? So let's move on.
We're not waiting at all. We want this to go.
We are not waiting. So I've got my wok and I know it's ready to go. So I want to stir fry, I want high heat. I've got my thermo signal, which has gone completely red, so the stencil has disappeared. So let's put some oil.
Oh, lovely.
And let's get this chicken going.
In it goes.
In it goes.
A lot of sizzle action going on there.
Correct. Maybe too much, but it's awesome. This is what a wok's all about. And we're going to toss this around and get the chicken cooking.
So you just want to sear it,
Yes.
don't you? Oh, gotcha. Yep.
And because it's thighs and you've cut it so beautifully and not how I would do it at home, because I'm not that skilled, it wouldn't look this nice.
Okay.
It's going to cook really quite quickly, but I'm just trying to brown it off a little bit. How are you going on the veggies?
Veggies are going really well. I've done your ginger, I've done your garlic, and I'm doing your chilli as well. Cutting into nice little strips.
Thank you.
I've taken most of the seeds out, but there's still a couple left in this.
Look at this, Richo. Got all the heat happening. Everything's spitting around. It's all happening.
Well, that's what you want with a stir fry. High heat, lots of flavour, lots of great stuff going on.
Correct.
Perfect.
So that chicken's nicely browned now.
Lovely.
And we can start throwing in the veggies.
You've got lots of veggies here. I'm loving this.
I do. Too many, do you think?
No, not at all. More veggies, the better.
Look at this, and you look at all the colours, and you're eating a rainbow, which means it's good for your gut health.
Yep.
Yep.
And the other trick with a stir fry, if you cut everything nice and small, it cooks really, really quickly.
Really quickly. Look at this. I've got my big, what do we call these things? Paddles?
Salad tossers. There we go.
Salad tossers.
Oars, cooking oars. There we go.
They are a bit like an oar.
Right, that's coming together beautifully.
Yeah, look at that. Now, chuck that garlic, ginger, chilli. Thank you, Richo. Beautiful.
In it goes like that.
Lovely. So this is when I use the liquid now because, yes, I've got the high heat, got my veggies cooking. I quite like my veggies still crunchy in a stir fry.
Yep.
Not kind of soggy and on death's door. I like them to be fresh.
Nothing worse than soggy vegetables on death's door. Here we go.
Okay. Could you chuck the liquid in? Not all of it, perhaps a little bit.
And you're wanting this to make it saucy, are you?
Yes.
All
Put
right.
it all in, actually.
Yeah,
I
in it
changed
goes.
my mind. Thank you. And then what we're going to do is grab that rice you've got there. Now, that rice I normally use at home and I would chuck it through the microwave.
Okay.
But we've got a hot wok going, so why not chuck it through here and have a one-pot wonder? Look at this.
It also saves energy.
Saves energy, it saves dishes. This is great to cook in as well because it's non-stick, so it's going to be easy to clean.
Perfect.
Could use metal utensils on here too, but I'm using the wooden oars, as you call them.
The cooking oars, that's
Correct, beautiful. So because I haven't used any soy sauce, I'm going to put some salt in here.
Yep.
And some pepper.
Good twist of pepper in there.
Good twist, good crack of pepper. And this, my friend, is done.
I like that.
Look at those colours, so easy, smells amazing.
Great.
let's pop this in the bowl.
You
Can
want to help me with that?
Yes, thank you, because it's such a big wok.
I can do that.
I need a helping hand, Richo, thank
Really?
you.
Okay.
I'm not too proud to admit that occasionally I need your help.
Well, in kitchens, it's always good to have a helping hand,
Yes.
especially when things are hot.
Look at
There we go.
this. Beautiful. Look at that in the bowl. All those colours.
There's some
Bit
coriander on
of
top.
coriander, just a little bit.
There we go. Some sesame seeds. Looks fantastic.
Go on, have a try. I'm interested. He was sceptical about the fluid initially.
You know what? That's got a good taste to it. And because you've used the thigh, it's really juicy. I love that chicken dish. And I like the way you put the rice with it, thickened it all up. That is a great dish.
Thank you, Richo.
I won't tell anyone though.